Hi, I'm Jeff Sadler, Chief Product Engineer here at WATERAX. What I'd like to talk to you about today in this video is the panels we offer for our vehicle mount pumping units. We offer two basic types. We offer the base mount, which is the mini control panel, the MCP, and we offer the WATERAX control panel, the WCP. These are the base mount versions, which are easily mounted by holes located at the bottom of the panel. We also offer a panel mount panel, the PMSCP, which is great for those applications where the apparatus has a flat control panel and you just need to mount the pump controls. These are professional grade panel offered at a fraction of the cost. They're very simple to use. They're designed for the WATERAX pumping units. They all come with the FastWire system, no electrician required, very simple to use, less risk of error, and less inventory you have to carry. These panels provide a consistent means of mounting. We offer 2D views, 3D models, and wire diagrams to support them. All the panels are built with a left to right mode of operation, and they're easily operated with or without gloves. Looking at the MC panel, this is our most compact and economical panel. It comes with a liquid-filled gauge. It comes with sealed switches. It comes with an LED, which is better than a lamp. It will last longer in service life. It's brighter and it's more durable. It comes with a standard to the industry vernier throttle cable. It has a heavy-duty push-pull cable. And it also has our powder-coated, heavy-duty, very durable powder coat with clear, crisp lettering, so you don't have to provide your own panel labeling. It has a primer hole located on it, so you can mount your primer cable control for an exhaust primer or a switch for your electric primer. All the electronics here are weather resistant. Last but not least, it comes with the low pump pressure protection, which is unique to the WATERAX pumping system. Our more encompassing control panel is our WCP panel. It's fully enclosed. It's brushed stainless, which hides scratches and marring which can happen over the lifetime of the product. It comes with circuit breaker protection. We offer the panel with or without water or foam level gauges. They come mounted. If you order them that way, all you have to do is connect the level transducers for the tank. It has a 4-inch discharge pressure gauge, which is a compound gauge, so it reads 30 inches of vacuum. It's versatile in that it has a work light kit. You can install a switch in a hole already provided in the panel. It has a tachometer hour meter to monitor the working hours of the engine, speed of the engine. We have sealed LED lamps, which provide for longer service life. They're more durable and they're brighter than a regular incandescent or bulb lamp. We have the typical rugged push-pull cable, the industry standard vernier throttle. We have sealed switches. We have a hole location already located in here for a primer, either an remote exhaust primer cable or an electric primer switch. It comes with a switch cover, which allows you to quickly shut down the panel if there's an emergency situation. It comes with hubs in the back, which allow you to connect your power to your hose reel. It also has the Quick Connect, the FastWire system, so it's very simple to install. Last but not least, it has the low pressure pump protection system that is unique to the WATERAX system. The last panel offering we have is our PMSCP panel. This is for a flat mount panel. This has a gasoline and a diesel version. It has a black anodized finish with white silkscreen printing on it for a clear contrast, easy to read lettering. Again, you don't have to make your labeling for the switches. It's already on the panel. It comes with flush mount on-off switch, start switch, and a low pump pressure protection. These are flush. They are backlit, so they're easy to see when they're engaged. They're more reliable than some of the other push-button switches available on pump panels. It comes with this industry standard throttle control cable, the heavy-duty push-pull cable, exhaust primer kit or an electric primer kit. It has a hole in here for either the cable or the electric switch. It has LEDs, again, which are more durable, brighter, and have a longer service life than lamps for both the low oil engine pressure warning, and for the diesel unit, it has a LED for the high temperature warning light. These professional grade panels will save you a lot of time, effort, and money on your apparatus builds. Thank you for your time, and please visit us at www.waterax.com.